If you're looking to create a glass style effect for your design, this is a quick and simple way to do it in Affinity. I already have a design on my artboard with a background and some text. First, I'm going to duplicate those layers by pressing Ctrl key plus J on my keyboard and merge them together. Then I'll click Filters at the bottom of the Layers panel and apply a lens blur effect. I'll adjust the settings in the panel, the radius, the number of blades, blade curvature, bloom threshold, bloom factor, and bloom color. For me, the radius and number of blades work just fine, so I'll leave the rest to minimum value. Of course, you can adjust the other settings to match your design. Next, I'll grab a shape. I'm going to use a rounded rectangle. I draw it on the artboard and align it to the center. Then I'll drag the lens blurred image to the shape layer. Now with the shape layer selected, I'll click Layer Effects at the bottom of the Layers panel and apply Bevel and Emboss. I'll set the radius to 3 pixels, and since the aspect ratio is locked, the depth automatically matches it. Then I'll set the azimuth to 45 degrees and the elevation to 30 degrees. For the highlight, I'll set the color to white and the opacity to 100%. I'll do the same for the shadow, white color, and 100% opacity. After that, I'll apply the outer shadow. I'll set the radius to 20 pixels, offset to 10 pixels, intensity to 30%, and opacity to 20%. I'll keep the color black and set the angle to 315 degrees. And hit close. And that's it. You've got a clean Glassmorphism style effect. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.